Welcome to Kids Worksheets. Hello children. Let's learn 20 common qualities words. Let's start.
Big. B-I-G. Big. Big elephant. Bright. B-R-I-G-H-T. Bright. Bright star. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Clean room. Cold. C-O-L-D. Cold. Cold ice cream. Dark. D-A-R-K. Dark. Dark sky. Easy. E-A-S-Y. Easy. Easy to subscribe. Fast. F-A-S-T. Fast. Fast rabbit. Friendly. F-R-I-E-N-D-L-Y. Friendly. Friendly teacher. Happy. H-A-P-P-Y. Happy. Happy Holi. Hard. H-A-R-D. Hard. Hard log. Heavy. H-E-A-V-Y. Heavy. Heavy bag. High. H-I-G-H. High. High heel. Little. L-I-T-T-L-E. Little. Little ant. Long. L-O-N-G. Long. Long nose. Loud. L-O-U-D. Loud. Loud music. New. N-E-W. New. New books. Quick. Q-U-I-C-K. Quick. Quick tips. Quiet. Q-U-I-E-T. Quiet. Quiet please. Soft. S-O-F-T. Soft. Soft pillow. Warm. W-A-R-M. Warm. Warm clothes.
Hope you children enjoyed this video and learned more. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you.